Kiwibit Bird Feeder 2, the smart bird feeder.
Good afternoon. Welcome to another adventure. It's Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Hopefully you had a great week. We're doing a review on a bird feeder. It's a unique bird feeder. It has 2 solar panels on it. It takes pictures and video in 4K. But the unique thing, it'll identify what type of bird it is using AI. It has a mount where you can mount it on a pole or a wall. Weighs just in about 3.95 pounds. I'm ready to get into this. Smart bird feeder. Bird lands up on there and takes a picture. You got two-way communication, so you can hear the birds and you can talk to the birds, whistle to the birds. This will identify what type of species of bird it is. And we have all different type of birds out here. We get them on our trail cam all the time, but I want to just get birds, and this shoots in 4K. So you're gonna get ultra quality pictures and video. Give you a nice little cork coaster with a saying on it, mounted on the wall to give you a positioning sticker. Warranty claims, quick start guide. This is the strap if you want to mount it on a pole, tree. This is your solar panel. This will connect to the birdhouse where you can get your charge from the panel. It's a nice panel. This mounts so you mount it on a pole. We'll see. Here's the feeder. Remember, Father's Day, Mother's Day's coming up. So if your mom likes bird feeders, this would be a unique item. Hours and hours of enjoyment. Your lenses are covered. That's good. This steel tab right here, just push in, pull the battery right out. So it locks right into place. Shut the lid, and there you go. Take the white mounting bracket and line it up with the holes on the bottom so that you can start your screws right on there. And then the bird feeder perch will be mounted right here. Just hand seat these until you get all full ring. Then you take your Allen wrench and tighten them up. Little feeder tray snaps right in. And that gets mounted right to the bottom like that. So we'll flip this over. Right back here, get a little shut off button. There we go. Now it's shut off. Just push in on that little tab right there. So we're just going to flip this over. I'm going to hand start our screws again. Now, if you want to mount this on a wall or a pole, leave this bracket off until you mount it on that wall, because you can't get back to the screws that are actually going to mount it. So if you want to mount it on a pole, you can use this bracket. That's about a 1-inch DI, and you can use a steel conduit, PVC, broom handle. Okay, you have 4 detents. Studs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll mount on the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right into there. So they're locating holes. Then you can start your 4 screws again. This is marked front. And you have 2 little slides that will distribute the seat. Slide that over it, and on the back side, and just pull these out to regulate how fast you want them fed or how slow. Okay, you have 2 detents right here. Push in, there's clips, so that when you mount your solar panel, those will lock into it. And when you push this, you can flip it up, flip it down, flip it up, flip it down. So this is the front, And this is the rear. Just push that in, snap it down. That way you can push this, and it'll lock, and unlock. So it's hinged. Then you can fill it up quickly. USB will get plugged right in the back. Make sure that's pushed in all the way because you do have a little rubber grommet on there that will weatherproof it. That's all that is. Takes a couple minutes to set up, and then review your quick start guide. Determine how you want to mount it. If you want to mount it on your wall or fence post bracket, or you want to do a pole. You do have on the back a place where you can put a SIM card if you want to save the information that's being sent to you. The on-off button is also your sync button. All the app instructions for the complete setup. They do have QR codes right here to scan those. So 1-inch pipe will fit in there. This is weatherproof also up to IP65. It could be just Bluetooth or Wi-Fi when you connect to the app, and it'll send you the signal. As your top one is your motion sensor, your bottom one is your camera. So let's go find a place to put this. First, I got to find the pipe for that, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I found a spot right here that is just a handle for a paint roller, and it's metal. Let's see if it works. Yes, it does. Tighten the thumb screw, and voila. So I'll turn this on. Okay, we got the blue light. I'm gonna download the app, fill this, and I'll be back. Okay, it's really easy to get this synced to the app on your phone. I'm using the iPhone. Push the button in, lift up the lid, and then you can fill your trays. Make sure your windows are closed, bottom feeder windows, and fill it up. Close the lid, lock it, open your little chutes. And here's your little windows. You can see when you pull this open, more feed comes out. So you can adjust it, the flow. Monitor this, see what type of birds we get on there. I'll add it to the review. The Kiwibit Bird Feeder 2. It's a smart bird feeder. This will make a great Mother's Day, Father's Day present. Check out the description. I'll have a link there, and there will be a discount code. But this is a smart bird feeder. Has a great 4K Ultra HD camera lens. Takes great pictures, great feed, streaming live off of it, or downloading it from the app or your phone. And we've seen 9 different type of birds so far. If I change out the seed, we'll get more. I'm hoping to see the blue jays and the bluebirds come over here. The Kiwibit Bird Feeder 2. Check it out. Awesome gift. Trails, everyone.